I tested 5 underrated AI workflows for urban design, and some of them can completely change your workflow. Hello and welcome back to the channel. We have already shared some underrated AI workflows for architecture and urban design in the past weeks, so today we are taking it at a much bigger scale, which is urban design and master planning. And this is where things really get interesting because at this scale, you're not just thinking about one building, you're thinking about an entire lane, open spaces, density, vegetation, and more. And these are things that AI can definitely help you with and not just render it. So in this video, we'll be sharing 5 underrated AI workflows for urban design and that can actually save you hours of time. I'm Salman, an architect and administrator. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe so we can grow together as a design community. So let's get started. For this demonstration, we'll be using Nano Banana Pro through Google AI Studio, but you can use this same model through any other platform that you prefer. And we'll be sharing all the prompts along with the workflows so you can follow along easily. Can AI actually help you design a master plan and not just render one? Let's find out.
For this demonstration, let's open Google Earth, and I've actually saved an empty site here in Maldives. Around these islands, we already have a lot of built structures and resorts, so let's try creating a conceptual design of a resort in this island. To begin with, let's save this as an image. Let's open it in Photoshop, create a new layer, and let's actually start creating a layout of a conceptual design. It can have a series of water villas here, and that can be connected to the land. We can have a dock built around here. We've drawn over the screenshot to create this layout for more accuracy. So let's save this as an image, add the screenshot on a new chat, and let's ask the platform to turn this into a master plan layout of a resort located in Maldives. The aspect ratio can be in auto, the resolution can be in 2K, and let's click run. And there we have the result. This has turned the basic sketch into a usable master plan. Consider this as an ideation of a sketch, and we'll be able to use this to create multiple options, iterations, and test possibilities. Now let's actually turn this into a realistic top-down rendering. Let's download the image, add the image on the chat once again, and this time let's ask the platform, turn this master plan into a realistic top-down aerial view of a resort located in Maldives, hyperreal textures and details, and let's click run. And there we have it. Using the same technique and creating multiple iterations, you will actually be able to produce an entire set of conceptual design that includes aerial views, high-level perspectives, close-up details, and views of literally anything in this design.
If this is something you're interested in, we have shared complete workflow and techniques of the same in the AI Visualization Mastery course. Now the internet is flooded with AI content and courses, but most of them are just teaching you prompts and creating pretty images. But as architects and designers, our images need to communicate ideas and not just look pretty, right? Our real problem is how do we actually use AI practically in day-to-day workflows? How do we create lighting, mood, and environment and keep them consistent across all the views? And that is exactly what this course is built around. We've shared complete workflows for exteriors, interiors, and master plans, and all of these have been created based on the comments that you made on this channel. You will learn how to turn CAD drawings and 3D models into cinematic renders, generate consistent multi-angle views, and use AI not just as a render tool, but as a design thinking tool. You'll also get a PDF with 130 plus prompt combinations, so you don't ever need to start from scratch. This course is available in 20 plus languages, making it easy for everyone to follow, and over 75 plus architects are already part of the course community. So new lessons and workflows will be constantly updated in this course, so you don't need to look for multiple sources to learn something about AI. Check out the Gumroad link in the description to access this course today. Most urban analysis diagrams take hours to create, but this was created in seconds with AI.
Let's head over to Google Earth and we can pick any site that you prefer. In this case, I picked a site in Pune. You can zoom in as you prefer to pick the level of details that you want. Make sure the map is oriented towards north and it's in a perfect top-down view. We can save this as an image from this, add the screenshot into Google AI Studio, and this is the detailed prompt that we'll be using. We're asking it to analyze and illustrate this site with layers, diagrams, annotations, overlays, and more. The analysis could include the urban structures, block patterns, nodes and landmarks, districts and edges, topography, contours, and a lot more. And finally, we're also specifying the specific style that we want, like an high-end architectural presentation board, clean composition, visual hierarchy, and readability. Let's do a 2K resolution and click run. And that's quite surprising. Based on the screenshot, this has already figured out the exact location of the site. We have a contour map overlay and also some graphics on the right side. that represents the topography, open spaces, street hierarchy, and network analysis. This can be a great reference point to start with your urban analysis and can be used for presentation styles and graphics as well.
We can now turn any Google Earth location into a usable vector drawing in seconds with AI.
Let's use a screenshot of the same Pune location. For this, let's start a new chat in Google AI Studio, add the screenshot that we just took, and paste this prompt. This prompt describes the style, all the elements to remove and retain, and a clear description of what each element has to be. The aspect ratio can be in auto, and for a workflow like this, we'll have to pick the maximum resolution. And let's click run. And the result is out. Here we can see that each building has been individually detailed, and we're seeing proper line weights across the roads and buildings. When we download this image, it's going to be in a JPEG format, but of course, it can be converted into a CAD drawing. Head over to this website called Convertico and make sure to choose JPEG to DXF. Just upload the output that we generated and choose Convert. Let's download this and open the file in AutoCAD. And there we can see that we now have a usable vector drawing. It does come with the drawback that everything is in the same layer. You can even open this in Illustrator to add colors and textures for site plans, site analysis, and conceptual designs.
This might be the fastest way to turn a simple black and white CAD drawing into a presentation-ready visual.
Let's assume we have a CAD drawing of a community such as this. It has a variation of building blocks, landscape elements, and roads. To begin with, we need to export this as a PDF and save it as a JPEG image. Once we have that, add the image into a new chat and paste this prompt. The prompt mentions to turn the black and white CAD drawing into a stylized architectural Photoshop rendering with the original roads and plots preserved, clean colors, soft shadows, and descriptions of all the other elements in the design. The resolution can be in 2K, and let's click run. And there we have the output. On the first glance, all the elements and details looks extremely precise, and the overall quality of the rendering is definitely professional. This technique can be a really good way if you're running out of time and if you want to explore multiple presentation styles and use them as reference.
We've also created a complete masterclass for floor plan and master plan visualization with over 50 plus rendering styles with AI. The link to it is in the description as well. This technique can turn any aerial view into a stylized clay context render in seconds.
We have a conceptual aerial view rendering, and let's try turning this into a clay context render. Let's add the rendering on a new chat on Google AI Studio. These workflows will actually work on Gemini as well, using the same technique and prompts. This is the prompt that we'll be using. It mentions to transform the aerial view into a clean urban clay context render. Styles and lighting is mentioned. The building in the center to have more emphasis and overlay architectural graphics such as sun path, wind direction, circulation arrows, and view lines. Of course, this is a conceptual demonstration, and you can adapt this for any location that you're working on. Let's do a 2K resolution and click run. And there we have the output. This has turned the same image into a nice monochromatic clay rendering. We'll be able to work around with this, highlight specific areas, and use them for presentations. You can also create these renderings without text overlays and add them manually based on your site location and context for more accuracy.
So those are some underrated AI workflows for urban design and master planning. Make sure to check out the AI Visualization Mastery course from the link in the description. If you found this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and share this with your friends. You can follow me on Instagram and the handle is right here. I'll see you on the next one.